Hi friends, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video lovely viewer will see in this video's modern Christmas decoration table center pieces ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see in this video stylish Christmas decoration table center pieces ideas in 2024. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Or you will see stylish, attractive and trending Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces designs. So watch my full videos and enjoy all modern Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces ideas. So watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. You will see in these videos modern 100+ stylish trending Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces designs. So guys, I might suggest just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. You will see new very attractive and very stylish unique Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces ideas. So there is a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see trending Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces ideas. Gorgeous and stylish modern Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces ideas. So viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces ideas. These are all my favorite collections. So you will see in these videos new attractive and trending modern Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces ideas. So guys, I might suggest just keep on watching these videos till the end. Watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of modern, unique decoration tables and centerpieces ideas.
ये तो शॉर्ट है ना.
So guys, I might suggest just keep on watching my videos till the end. I have uploaded new attractive and trending gorgeous and stylish, you will see in these videos new attractive and stylish modern Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces ideas. So watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of modern. Have uploaded new stylish and creative Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces ideas. If you like my videos, so viewers, watch my full videos and get gorgeous and stylish, you will see fabulous and attractive, you will see stylish modern Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces ideas. I have uploaded new modern Christmas decoration tables and centerpieces designs. Watch my full videos. Latest and stylish, you will see in these videos modern and stylish, unique and attractive Christmas decoration table centerpieces ideas. So I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you. Latest and stylish you will see in these videos. Stylish Christmas decoration table centerpieces ideas. Gorgeous and stylish you will see in these videos. Modern Christmas decoration ideas. This video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of modern, beautiful Christmas decoration table centerpieces designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos. And you like this one, stylish unique Christmas decoration ideas. So there is a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Very attractive and very creative you will see trending Christmas decoration table centerpieces ideas. So my channel is all about Christmas decoration table centerpieces designs, wall hanging decoration ideas. Very attractive and very stylish you will see unique, modern, beautiful Christmas decor designs. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos. And you like this one, stylish home decoration idea, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. Gorgeous and stylish you will see unique, modern Christmas decoration ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. This video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Watch my full videos and enjoy your modern and creative Christmas decoration table centerpieces ideas. I hope you like your modern decoration ideas. So watch my full videos and enjoy your modern Christmas decoration table centerpieces designs. So lovely viewers, do you have new ideas of unique home decoration ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy your attractive and trending Christmas decoration table centerpieces ideas. So there's a huge variety of designs in these videos. You will see beautiful and unique Christmas decoration table ideas, fireplace designs,